Okay, so I'm doing an experiment today. I saw that you can clean your beauty blenders with a cup of soapy water in the microwave for a minute. I take the beauty blenders in our cup of water. Maybe I should only do one at a time. I'm just going to do one because I don't want to lose all of my beauty blenders because that would happen to me. Okay, so here we go. It's just in lukewarm water with soap. And I use Palmolive soap, in case that matters. Alright. 1 minute. Alright, time is up. It says be careful because it's going to be hot. Yep, that's hot. Okay. Well. I mean, it's not that clean. I'm gonna try my dark blue beauty blender. Booty blender. Beauty blender. Okay. I mean, it's cleaner than it was. So, definitely cleaner than. Who's a kitty tail? Ricky. Hi, Ricky.